6-day adventure. The sun is shining. It's like a halo above my head saying, let's go. How can I not have a good time? And just like that, leaving home, we're at Glenroy. And we are heading towards Marama Way to Linda's Pass. And I'm leaving a little bit sooner because a friend has an appointment needs to keep, and he'll be leaving sometime after 12. He'll catch up, no doubt. And you never know, he may get a speeding ticket. I'll let you know if that's a joke. If he does, at the moment it's a joke. It might be reality. Who knows? But let's see. Looking forward to this ride. Beautiful day today. Well, I'm on the way through to Tekpa. I had a fetty pie. The fetty pie was pretty damn good, venison and cranberry, so that was delicious. So I thought I'd just continue on a wee bit. I saw the Mount Dobson turn off and I thought, oh yeah, why not, let's go and have a look. Maybe we could ride up the road, but it's not winter and they are closed. Wow, this land is pretty sparse. I thought I'd just pop up the speed road. This road comes off Dogleg Corner, I think it's called. I was told that that is where Hectoramere comes out at. So in a week's time, pretty much a week's time, just under a week, next Wednesday, we'll be maybe coming up this way and coming up there and heading all the way down there. But this is off the main highway and it's quiet aside from some cows mooing and the wind. But damn, it's beautiful, it's spectacular. You know, in the winter time, all those mountains out there, they are just covered in snow. Over this way is Lake Pukaki, and then we head down south a wee bit more, Twizel and so on, over the hills over here. And we'll hit Twizel, get some food, get some salmon. We're going to buy some salmon for tea. We're going to camp cook, and then ultimately we'll head up over those ranges down there, which I think somewhere around that way is Linda's Pass, and we'll stop in the middle there where once upon a time there was the Linda's Pass Hotel. And if you watch one of the older videos, you'll see one. We went to the Beaumont Rally and we stopped there and camped. It's the first time I'd been there and it was magic, beautiful, yeah. So pretty historic spot. This is pretty awesome, man. The Griso's beautiful today. Got the new tyre on the back. If you watched the previous video a wee while back, I had changed the back tyre. So that's got a new Angel on it. It's a Pirelli Angel GT2. So I haven't had one, I've had the original one. So this seems to be sticking alright and good as gold. I ain't got nothing to complain about at this stage. So that's a positive thing. Changed the oil and the rear transmission drive and also in the gearbox as well before coming away on this trip. I might get back on this bike and ride some more because it's hot when you stop and you're wearing black leather. Damn, it's hot. Maybe take a dip in the lake. It's a nice spot here, sitting next to Lake Tekapo. Oh man, it is very chilly in this lake. This is Lake Pukaki. The view over there is Mount Cook. There's other people here too, enjoying the water spot. Just parked up, I'm still waiting. I've got an hour to go before they catch up, I think. Well, maybe it's about half hour, so I've got about 10 minutes or so I can swim away. Leaving Pukaki after meeting up with Aunt Alana and heading now to up the road, not to Linda's but to the lavender farm just down the road on the Mount Cook Road. It's a little paddock in the middle of absolutely nowhere with all this awesome lavender and a heap of people there visiting. Beautiful day for it, and what better place just to come and chill. So what this ice cream is, it was the lavender honeycomb stuff.
Oh, you got lavender honeycomb as well, vanilla.
Yeah, but it's got raw honeycomb sprinkled on it or something, and bee pollen or something.
Oh, that's a fancy one.
So that means I'm potentially going to live forever, I reckon. In Marama for a top up in gas and a shop for some groceries before we head the rest of the way. Clay Cliffs, magic, definitely recommend heading down there. From the lavender farm we went to the Twizel place to get some salmon. We only just made it in time. It was a very hit and miss. And at this point you turn around a 45k corner and head south. The map on the right hand side there tells you how we get to the Lindispass Hotel. So it's a bit of a backtrack up the other side of the river, Lindis River, heading back up to the Lindispass Hotel. It was built back in the 1800s and it was part of the beginning of the gold rush in Otago that this place became about. A lot of alluvial mining was undertaken through this area. Bags bursting at the seams. We've got enough luggage to last me until 2024. Lindispass Hotel, old ruins over there, and then you've got to put a potty there, another shelter, and we've got the tent set up, a bit of a shelter for the sun, wind, whatever, if it does. And there's a river over there too, so you can take a swim there, which would be kind of handy. Sandflies are starting to bite, but we're not going to worry too much about it. Yeah, it'll be alright. We got Pam's, Pam original cracker, 1.5 star. So you got to eat what, four of these crackers for them to make a 5-star health rating, and some cheese and a good old Kingfisher. You got the Heinekens.
Yeah, it's just an ordinary Heineken because it's quite easy to drink.
The artwork on this Kingfisher, it's big cans, big. It's big. Cooking a bit of the old sizzling yummy onion. Got a bit of the old high country salmon there. This is a beetroot cured cold smoked salmon. Should be pretty delicious. And a can of asparagus spears. No, not related to Brittany. Now time to sizzle a bit of bacon. And have a can of Carlsberg Elephant Premium Strong. So now we've got the, as we can see over here, we've got the beetroot cold smoked salmon. Look at that, it's looking pretty damn delicious. If you like salmon. If you're a vegetarian, have a look at this. Modify Waddy's asparagus. This will definitely suit you down to the ground. That's some salmon steaks. They're also from high country salmon. So you know when to turn your salmon.
Blackened it.
A nice crispy flaky bits coming off the skin side. Look at that bit there. No, maybe not so much, but that there is actually creating a protective layer. So what we've got here is we have the premium asparagus spears, fresh as hell out of a can. We have the high country salmon, well and truly nice and crispy. And then we've got some caramelized, you might as well call them caramelized, they're looking yum. And then we've got some very, very crispy, delicious bacon. And what have we got there? Rice, asparagus, bacon,
peri rice,
peri rice, hot rice, and a bit of the old salmon steak. Without further ado, we say cheers to you. Oh, that was a bit harsh. Cheers. sure about these beans. They've got a variety of beans in this can.
What brand that one?
Well, I've never seen them before, Whitlock and Son.
Ooh, no, that'd be good.
And
They look good.
they aren't your standard Waddy's beans, that's for sure, because there's like a variety of beans in there. Do you want some beans?
No, whoa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, there's definitely a variety of beans in there. There's a breakfast for champion, I reckon. Yeah, a bit of pork to the side there. We've got a bee thinking it wants and likes coffee. Now down here at the Lindis River. I'm sure that this river is going to be mighty chilly. Oh, damn, it is refreshing. Definitely feel better for that. Man, this looks like a nuclear bomb site.
From the Lindis Pass Hotel. Really excited about today. We are heading now through to Wanaka, and from Wanaka we'll go over the Crown Range. Fantastic road that is, always a wonderful area to explore and just enjoy the scenery. And from there we're going to go to Arrowtown. We're going to pick up some supplies, some groceries, some food, all that sort of stuff that we really do need. And we're going to go up to Skipper's Canyon, to a camping ground, dock camping ground up at the end there. Can't wait, never been up there before, should be awesome. This is the Red Bridge. I think it's iconic. Over the Clutha River it goes, and the Clutha River comes out of Lake Wanaka and heads down and flows into Lake Dunstan, then goes through the Clyde Dam, and then heads down through Roxburgh and out to the seas out of Balclutha. There you go, amazing.
Couple of wrong turns, so just checking whether there's any messages. Yeah, we're going to meet at Padrona now. We should have turned right a little bit further before we did, and we went, otherwise I would have ended up in Lugga. Well, we've made it to Cadrona. We've made a mistake in taking the wrong turn and got a bit lost, but that's alright. He should be not too far away, I wouldn't think. Otherwise I might be tempted to go and grab a beer. It's a nice road riding up through there. Over there is Queenstown, and the planes, they fly all the way along there to land. A little bit of rain and a little bit of wet weather gear. We're set. Just a little wee way to get to Arrowtown. How close is close?
Are we camping that way?
Yeah.